Hello guys. So it is 6:22 a.m. I think I just started this around maybe 5:22 or 5:40 thereabout. And I decided to model my table. I I will not say I've learned or I'm very much an expert in 3D designs, but I picked an interest in 3D design, and ever since it's been awesome. I tell you, I I love 3D designs now. I know I have a long way to go, but take a look at these guys. I decided to model my table, and this is exactly, I'll be showing you the picture of my table side by side later. So you see if this is exactly what I've just done, you compare, because I ensured that I did it exactly how it is. Okay, so you take a look. This is how it is. And in the rendering mode, this is what you're going to see. This is exactly what you're going to see. So um, if you're out there and you need someone to model structures for you that you want to show to a client, and you want to do it in a 3D form where you model and show your clients, I could be your go-to guy, okay? I would definitely love to do this for you, okay? So just hit me up and let me know what you want me to do for you, and I'll definitely make it happen. This is just a 3D design of a table. I'll be doing the share later on to add to this. Then take a look at something else that I finished up. Let me save this one, and I'll save this as room office table. Okay, let me save that office table, office table, and there it is. There are other designs I've done prior to now. There are so many things we are learning in 3D. It's quite an engaging task, I must tell you. So it's a journey. You you just can't stop. So I modeled this. Take a look at this. I modeled this um, wardrobe. It's kind of I don't think I've seen this type of wardrobe before. So it has a double, it has a back, and it has a front. Let me remove the mesh. Remove the mesh. Okay. So there you have it. It has a back and front. Take a look. So this is a kind of a wardrobe, or actually a wardrobe, kind of a wardrobe. Now, what I did, let me take it to the finished mode. Okay, so what I did actually was to animate a brick falling from the wardrobe. All right, to animate a brick falling from this wardrobe. So let's take a look at that. Okay, and I would take it back and play it. Let me change the orientation. So let me play it now. Okay, so that is it. So if you go back this way, you see actually what I did. You see it. So I actually modeled and animated the brick falling down from the wardrobe. And this brick actually, it's not just straight. So I'm still working on it, because if you look at it in this form, you would notice that if you go to the, if you switch over to the edit, if you switch over to the edit, then you see what it actually looks like. So let's take a look at this. Let's see. Let me see. Okay. Okay. So I'll go to I'll go to I'll go to object mode now and click the same thing. All right. So actually, I wanted to show you how the brick actually looks like. Okay, but this is just one more example. Then we have the last one I did like to show you. Well, there's nothing much. Just let me see. Okay, let me bring up this. Let me save this and bring this up finally here. So yeah, this is kind of what I played around with. You can intend to do more with this and a later date, and this too. I intend to do more with it. So if I take it round, this is actually a 3D design. If I enlarge it, I scale it up and move this away. And then let's rotate again to show you. Well, so I'll be showing you ways to do this on YouTube. All right, very soon. So for now, thank you very much for watching. And if you have any question on how I did this, let me know on in the comment section. Subscribe, like, share, and definitely if you have any job you would like me to do for you, you are free to contact me anytime. Just DM me personally, and I'll create a time for you. Thank you.